Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of my two new tools to fix my car. This one is Air Tools combo made by Mastercraft. This is priced around $150 and the normal price is $400, so I got a little bit of discount here. And also impact socket set made by Maximum. I bought this for $150 and the normal price is $500. Let's start by opening this box. Remove the tape. This has a latch here which is very tight. Maybe it's because it's still sealed. Let's try. I'm gonna use. Okay, I lift the latch using my key. Once you open it, some of the grinding tools fall off. What's inside are sets of manuals for each tools that you will use. So yeah, this one is the air-powered ratchet. So you have your manual here. It's been oiled, so that's nice. And the air-powered full-size die grinder, it has also a manual. So this is the grinder. This one has a safety clip here. That's the air-powered impact wrench, also has a manual. This is a half inch. Okay, here. Air-powered hammer and chisel. This one. This one is the spring to be included here, and also a set of chisels here. Okay. They have 4 sets of chisels here, different sizes, and different edge. And this one also includes a tire inflator. It has some set of grinder. This is a lot of set, and so it also includes this set of sockets. Okay, they also included oil, because it says here oil every time you use it. Okay, so it also includes the blow gun, air gun. You want to clean the engine bay and remove some of the dust, you can use this. And there's a lot of set of screws and what do you call this? It's here, different set of hex, and also some of the torch or TX10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 40, and a lot of flat screwdrivers also, and another set of Phillips screwdriver. And so most of those things I don't know yet, but yeah, these are just an unboxing and just to show you what's inside. And they also include the coupling for your airline. Let's try these tools. I will get the air compressor first. Okay, now I have my air compressor line, and let's try this air gun first, or blow gun. Okay. Let's try I set my air pressure for 25, I think. This why it's very, the power is very, but for now I will increase the air pressure of my air compressor. Right now the air pressure is around 70. Let's see here again. Okay, so let's see. So you can hear how strong the impacts wrench depending on your. Let's see, how about this hammer? Basically what I'm doing is I'm just checking if the tools are working. So you can control the speed. It depends on how you press this lever. If I press it hard, it runs faster. See, I think let's see about what's this air grinder. So here, same thing with this one. Then you press it a little bit, and when you press it harder, it runs faster. So far, all 4 tools are working. Let's check this one. Yeah, this one also works. So that's it for this air tools. I will quickly fix this. So on the top view, this is what's in the box. The impact wrench, the ratchet, the blowgun, the air hammer, the air grinder, accessories here. This one, two, inflation gun, and they have the, it's written here, adapter. And so yeah, but this is the holder and should be inserted here like that. Use your ratchet, and for example this one, just put it here. So that's how you use these sets of screws and hex and what do you call this? This TX. They included these sets of sockets, but these are not complete. That's why I bought a set of impact socket to be used, which we will unbox later. So they have this included set, included socket. So see, 13mm, 15, 12, 16, 10mm. Now let's proceed with our impact socket. So this is the brand is Maximum. Let's unbox this one. This is from Canadian Tire, and the price of this is $500, but it went on sale, so I bought it for $150 Canadian dollars, of course. And inside here they have a standard and metric sizes, so this can be used for a 3/8, 1/2, or 1/4 wrenches. So let's unbox this one. So I don't have a set of socket yet, but I bought this impact socket set for my air tools, and yeah, I need to cut this one. And I think this one also fits with the ratchet, like this manual ratchet. So let's see. First, open this. See, this is a metal latch. The other one one that we open. There's a latch on the side and also on the other side. So you can see here, so these are the set. This is what's inside, and I will show you later the top view of this. This case is nice. See, unlike the other one, when I open it, some of the tools fell down already. So you can see this one is a hexagon shape, which is much better than the 12 sides, which is prone to rounding. So I bought this instead of the chrome or for the handheld, because for the dual purpose. So this is suitable for air tools or impact wrenches, and if I want to use it for my handheld, this one is what you call this 3/8. This one fits, see? So no need to buy two sets of socket. So this is the chrome, which is intended for the handheld ratchet. Here is the 14, same same size, still fit, but you can see here the impact has thicker wall and almost the same size, no difference. Even the height a little bit longer for this one. The material used here is intended for high impact. Like here, the material used here is just intended for handheld tools. All in all, this is a 150 pieces. I think the 150 pieces also included the case. Let's see. So it has a clear marking, and the case also have this embossed marking. Now we are here and we will try to use this. So here is the directional button, forward or reverse. Try to remove this. Now, nice, I removed black nut. Okay, I will put it back now. Make sure that you use your hand first. I press this for the tightening. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.